In this video, I'll show you how to fix VRChat being stuck on the loading screen. The first thing you need to do is delete all your temp files. Press Windows key R, type temp, and hit enter. Delete everything in that folder. You might have a lot more than me since I recently cleared mine. If a prompt pops up, just select the option to skip and continue, and that should be fine. Next, go back to the Run dialog and type %temp and this time, then repeat the same process. Delete everything and skip past any prompts that appear. Once that's done, head over to Steam and find VRChat in your library. Right-click on it, go to Properties, find Launch Options, and enter the code I'll leave in the description below. After that, go to the Local Files section, Properties, Installed Files, and then Verify Integrity of Game Files. Once that's finished, try launching the game with the new launch option and verified files to see if it works. If it's still not working, try uninstalling and reinstalling the game. Alternatively, you can try running it in compatibility mode. Right-click the game, go to Properties, then the Compatibility tab, enable the two compatibility options, click Apply, and try launching again. I really hope this video helped you out. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe. It helps me a ton. Thanks so much for watching.